Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the right files, a clear face clip and any background or overlay you want. First, open Capcut and import both clips. Make sure the face clip is trimmed to the moment you want tracked. Tap the face clip in the timeline, then choose the object or face tracking tool. This is where tracking begins. Once done, position the playhead at the start frame and tap Track or Analyze. This kicks off the automatic detection, so let Capcut run through the chosen segment. Now you refine the result, play the tracked clip and watch for drift. If the face shifts, pause and add a keyframe, adjust position, scale, or rotation, then move forward about 0.5 to 1 second and add another keyframe to keep alignment. Make sure to adjust the mask edge and feather so the effect blends naturally. Once stable, lock that tracked layer to prevent accidental changes, and then attach your sticker, makeup, or blur to the tracked object so it follows the face smoothly during motion. You're at the finish line. Export a short test at your final resolution and watch for glitches. If you see jitter, go back and add more frequent keyframes or rerun tracking for that problematic section. Retracking from a clean, front-facing frame often fixes errors. If the face is occluded, hand or object, split the clip before and after the occlusion and track each segment separately. Finally, make small color or blur adjustments while previewing in real time, and then export the full video when everything looks natural.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.